How to call someone on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can call someone on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to have your Snapchat app and you'll need to make sure that it is updated to the latest version. After that, you can open up your Snapchat. After opening up your Snapchat, head over to the Friends section that is on the bottom left corner. Tap on it, and now you can head over to any DM where you want to call that person. After you're here on the top right corner, you'll see two buttons. One is normal audio call, the other is a video call. Now according to your preference, you can simply tap on either one to start the call. So let me just click on this one. And that's basically how you can start a call in Snapchat. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.